Trump, what do you think of today?
Mr. Trump, where are you headed after this? Like tonight?
A federal judge in Manhattan seemed skeptical and at times downright incredulous at President Donald Trump's lawyers and their argument that his hush money conviction should be moved from state court to federal court and then disposed of, erased from the history books. Judge Alvin
Are you worried
We're having a hard
about
time.
security?
We're having a hard time with the New York State system.
Judge Alvin K. Hellerstein presided over oral arguments on Wednesday after an appeals court in New York said that he needed to reconsider an earlier ruling that had rejected the same legal strategy. President Trump and his lawyers are saying that he is immune from prosecution for official acts, things he does while he's in the Oval Office. And while the hush money conviction involved primarily his personal life, things he did while he was running for president back in 2016. Some of the evidence presented at that trial involved conversations that he had in the Oval Office, in the White House, with people who eventually worked for him in the administration. Trump's lawyers argue that because of that, the whole thing should be thrown out. Now, Trump was sentenced to essentially no punishment, an unconditional discharge. It was about 11 days before he took office in January of 2025. So, for all intents and purposes, these maneuvers would essentially just give him the opportunity to say he is no longer a convicted criminal. As of now, he is, and Judge Hellerstein seems skeptical of arguments that federal court was the right place to dispose of this case. Trump is appealing through the state court system, and Hellerstein said, in essence, that Trump had waited too long. His lawyers had waited too long to bring this issue to federal court. Hellerstein has also ruled in the past, he has twice before rejected bringing this case from a state courthouse to a federal courthouse, that Trump doesn't have the grounds to invoke official immunity because the issues at play in the hush money case involved his private life, not his role as president. Hellerstein thanked both sides, the defense, Trump's lawyers, and the Manhattan District Attorney's Office for its vigorous arguments, and he said he would try to issue a ruling as soon as possible.